Hello there. So this is a video on how you do accounting for gift cards. Okay, so someone will come purchase a gift card and then they'll probably use that gift card later to when making a future purchase. Okay, so let's start with the setup. So I'll go to sales and then we have the gift cards and wallets. So I have created one program here. Okay, so this is the name of the program. This is the product connected to it, and then yeah, you can have any reward system. And then I created the gifts or the gift cards, so you can create manually, but you can also create when a purchase is done, which is what we will see. Okay, so these are the ones that have already been created. Yeah, so let's do purchase and I'll use the POS. Okay, but so what it means is that when someone buys a gift card initially, some clients, okay, or some Odoo clients want that to be recognized as debt, not as income, okay, because you, yeah, because they just want to treat it for whatever reasons they have. So we've seen such clients. Yeah, so they do not want the initial purchase of the gift card to go to an income account. They want it to go to a liability account. And then when the client actually buys something, okay, which is the core business or the core product, then that's when they want income to be recognized. So how you achieve that is that the product, the gift card itself, you connect it to a liability account. So I'll go to services and then where is it? I have it here. So it's a service, of course, and then under accounting, I connect it to a liability account. Okay, so you can see current liabilities as the income account. So instead of this picking the normal income account, it will pick this. Okay, let's see that. So when we now go to do a purchase, so I'll open my register and then okay, so I'll do that and then I'll buy the gift card. Then I'll assign it to my client. Okay, so let's say the gift card is worth how much? 14,000. Okay, so this is the gift card and then I'll proceed to payment. So the client is paying me using card. I want to generate an invoice and then validate. Okay, so I will close the session and then we will see the entry that was generated by this cell. Okay, so I can come here and close this. And then on the back end in accounting, when we go to accounting, okay, so let me go to invoices and then I see it here, okay, for the 14,000. If I open the invoice, I can see the gift card liability account has been chosen. Okay, so instead of us crediting income like we do, we've credited a debt. Okay, yeah, and then when we do that, we can now do an actual sale. So the customer will now come to buy something that we actually sell. So point of sale, open register, and then I'll open that. This is the product they are buying. Okay, so I pick the name of the customer again, and then say the product is worth 10,000. Okay, plus tax. So that's the amount. I'll have to. I want to now use the gift card to pay for this, so I'll need the code of the gift card. Okay, so I'll go to sales, let me check it. Gift cards, you can see it's here, it was created automatically, so I need this, so I'll copy that and then I'll come here, I'll do that, enter code, apply. Okay, you can see the gift card. So there it is, and then I'll proceed to payment, and I also want to generate an invoice for this. Okay, so notice that I'm not paying anything via cash or card because I'm using the gift card. I'll just go ahead and validate. Okay, and then yeah, so let's also close this and see the entry. So the expectation is that the liability account that we used will also be chosen again. Okay, so when I go to invoices, yeah, so I think it's this one if I'm not wrong. Okay, yeah, so yeah, here it is. When I go to journal entries, you can actually see what's happening. Okay, so the gift card account, you can notice there's no this the income account was only selected here on the finished good. On the gift card, it still the liability account was now debited. So basically, it's canceling out what had happened before. Yeah, so in case you get that request, this is how you do it. So just setting up the current liability account on the gift card product. Thank you.